Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT without using OpenAI. Now, as you can see, what you can do here is you can go to Google, type in ChatGPT app, GitHub, and you will get this right here. So go here to this basically section. And once you open up this, you will need to scroll down until you see install section right here. Here you will have installation file for Windows, Mac, or for Linux. If you are a Windows user, go here and just click here and you will be able to go and download this. Now, once you download this, make sure to click on it and it will ask you this right here. So just make sure to go to more info and click run anyway. This application is safe. This is from an official GitHub member and it also has a lot of contributors to this app as well as a lot of downloads, as you can see right here. Right? So that is pretty much it, as you can see. So basically, after you do this, you need to go here and you need to type in GPT. And here you will be able to go and run a ChatGPT. You can also type in ChatGPT here, as you can see. Once you run it, basically you will be able to run it here. Or if I go here to my desktop, if I go to ChatGPT 3, you will basically be able to open it like this in an app, right? Once you open it in an app, you will be able to use it obviously without OpenAI, but still you will need to log in via OpenAI, right? So if you want to know how to log in via OpenAI, you can always check our other videos on how to log in or how to sign up with OpenAI without using phone number. So you can check that out as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is how to use ChatGPT without OpenAI. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.